Hello everyone and welcome to another Nature Diaries. Today we're in Wiltshire and we're at Langford Lake, which is a Wiltshire Trust site. And it looks like there's some really lovely nature and we're gonna, this lake looks really cool. So yeah, come with us, have fun, let's do some nature stuff. So just from coming down to this lake, I can see Canada geese, swans, egrets. So it's looking like it's going to be some bird heavy action here. There's loads of really pretty little damselflies everywhere, but my camera really doesn't want to focus on them. I really want to show you guys, but it's proving a bit too difficult. Stu just spotted something really cool. So a wasp has just been like scraping wood off these planks to build a nest with. You can kind of see all the marks. I'm going to give you some footage now of the marks. So I want to ask you guys a question. What do you prefer? Do you prefer woodland, coastline, meadow, or moors? So there's your 4 options. Which one's your favourite? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section. We just heard thunder. It's really nice here because I don't know if you can see behind me, there's a sign there that says conservation area, no access to the public, which is really good. So if there's areas where we don't have access to, we can't disturb anything, and then nature's got a chance to just do its thing. So it's nice that they've cornered off a lot of these places so that nature can just thrive. Thistle's taller than me. So that's cool. There are otters here, water voles, hares and kingfishers, as well as grass snakes too. There's lots of really cool species at this place. Definitely come here guys if you want to see some nature.
So Laura just mentioned there's grass snakes on this reserve, and despite their name they actually love water, so little streams like this lead into wetlands are perfect for them to navigate and also find their favourite prey, which, believe it or not, are frogs.
So have you guys seen my video about what's in my backpack for nature excursions? So I've got my backpack here and it's always got certain things that I need when I go out looking for nature and wildlife. But what isn't included in that video, which I'll leave as a card up here for you, is one of these, which I purchased last week, and it's a solar panelled charging battery for my phone and anything else that uses micro or regular USB. And it's got 4 solar panels on it, so if you go camping, you're out for a really long trip, you can always make sure that you've got energy with you to charge your digital items and never miss out on footage of beautiful animals. So hopefully you can hear me through this mask, but we've just found a really nice bird hide on the lake and we can look out at the beautiful birds. and I can already see swans grazing, there's cormorants, there's ducks. So I'm going to try and get some footage for you guys. But if you're wondering why I'm wearing a face mask and a bird hide, it's because there was a polite notice on the door asking that they would like us to inside, which makes sense, and you know, I want to do the best thing, so I am protecting myself and others by wearing a mask in an enclosed space. So the people who manage this land have done a really good job of inputting man-made structures to either attract or assist wildlife. So we've seen bug boxes, ponds, barn owl boxes, and kind of floats that are used for terns to nest on. So that's really good. There's a lot that we can do to encourage nature back into places and to rewild areas.
So we've just been talking, and we really think that the site here and the reserve here is a really good example of rewilding, but perhaps in the more traditional sense of habitat restoration. So this site was only created in the early noughties, and before that it was actually commercial clay pits. But walking around the site, the amount of wildlife is evident, and there's also signs where there's been ospreys sighted here, grass snakes, otters, water voles, and over 150 bird species. So it is a really great example of how we can restore and rewild nature.
So that's it from us. We're walking back to the car now, but I'm impressed by this place. It's really, really beautiful. And there's, you know, several kind of different lakes, isn't there? There's a few different lakes, and there's a few different walks you can do. But mainly, I'm just so impressed by the rewilding here and the amount of wildlife. And I've actually managed to get some nice footage for you guys, so that's always a bonus. But we hope that you enjoyed this. We thoroughly did. And that'll probably be our last Nature Diaries in Wiltshire. So make sure to subscribe and like the video, and we will see you in the next one.